So we are looking into the method of linear representation. For that we are having three different methods. One is sign and magnitude form. Second one is one's complement. Second one is two's complement. Okay, first we are going for sign and magnitude form. If in sign and magnitude form, there are 8-bit data and 16-bit data. So we are considering now we are considering only the 8-bit data. If it is an 8-bit data, we will have 8-bit like this. If it is a memory storing 8-bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So here we are storing an 8-bit data. Okay, if we want to store the number 8, so we have a number 8, we want to store it here. It is a computer memory, so the 8 will be, first the 8 will be converted into binary. So we are converting 8 into binary. The corresponding binary of 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. So in sign and magnitude form, the last position will be used for representing the sign, and the rest 7 places are used for representing the magnitude. Now the magnitude of 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. So we are representing 0, 0, 0, 1. The last place is for sign. If it is a positive, the last digit, the last location should be represented as 0. If it is a negative number, the sign will be 1. Since we are dealing with plus 8, so the sign will be 0. Since we are getting 3 vacant spaces, we put 0 there. Okay, this is the sign and magnitude representation of plus 8. If we are going for minus 8, the only difference will be in the sign location. It will be 1. This is sign and magnitude representation. Then we are going for one's complement. Okay, one's complement means we are replacing the 1 with the 0 and the 0 with the 1. Okay, if we are finding the one's complement of plus 8, we know the sign and magnitude representation already. So if we are representing the one's complement of plus 8, first we need to write the sign and magnitude form. Then we have to check whether it is a positive or negative. If it is a positive number, this will be the one's complement. We need not to change 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. But if it is a negative number, then we need to change 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is the one's complement of negative 8. But for the positive 8, this one will be the one's complement. Okay. Then 2's complement. So 2's complement means we are adding 1 to 1's complement of the number. Okay, 1's complement means we are changing 1's to 0 and 0 to 1. 2's complement means we are adding 1 to 1's complement of the number. Again, we have to check whether the given number is positive or negative. If the given number is positive, we need not to add 1 to the 1's complement. So for a positive number, the 1's complement and the 2's complement is same as magnitude. Okay. If it is negative 8, we need to find the 2's complement of negative 8. Then we already have the 1's complement. Okay. So we need to add 1 to it. Okay. In binary addition, 1 plus 1 gives 10. We have to remember this point. So 1 plus 1, 10, 0, remainder 1. Again 1 plus 1, 10, 0, remainder 1. Then 1 plus 1, 10, 0, remainder 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is the 2's complement of negative 8.